So, hopefully, I'm doing a focus.
It's 3 a.m. right now.
It's 3 a.m. right now?
Yeah, go
No, man, I can't sleep, Arshan.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
But then, not fourth, but fourth. Like, bring fourth.
Supposed to wake up from about 6 a.m. Ever.
Oh,
One person.
oh, 6 a.m.
It's not far
That's not far.
from 6 a.m.
You look good.
Oh,
But I expect a morning routine. Sorry.
oh, that one night stand won't buy you, Charles. He said, do you feel like it's a ball
Yo, tell them to wake up.
No.
Listen, we need to wake up. That's what we need to do. Like, we're not spoil this thing again. Come, get up. Like, you know, so we could have shoot like one movie already.
When? When we could have shoot
By the way,
that
we can
video?
just post the video. I'm gonna have video.
No, I don't know what it's in it.
But I'm sending you a link so you're supposed to watch.
Right, we soon get to that. We still have a little more time in today. But we're gonna shoot. We just can't shoot now. We're gonna go by 2:30. And now it's 6:30.
Wait, every Friday they have food on the house.
Sean, when I said to her, I was like, what?
Like, we have food for you.
So, alright, man. I'm gonna put the video right here. Because me feel like I'm gonna sit there right here so I feel a while. So when I get up, so yeah, I wake up a long time back here and I wait for them to wake
Liar.
Lies.
Liar. Liar.
See, I said to go jump off
up. Yeah, when I wait for them a long time to wake up, but this is a situation. So move from here to what they do next. Whatever that is.
Oh, yes.
You're so hungry.
No need to get up. Like right now, no need to just get up.
Anything to eat. We can't go because we don't want to eat.
I'm not forced to go to bed. Sorry, don't let nobody force you to bed.
So we're gonna cook food for you.
And me.
Okay,
And me. So,
what else is there?
Oh.
Shani, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I alone when I like have one of them long interview videos with.
No, but we can't have it now.
Let's talk.
No, we can't talk now. My tummy, I'm too hungry. I'm too hungry to talk. You see how I'm doing?
You dream about nothing last night?
No, you can't do me that. I can't even just wake up. My face now wash my teeth, I brush.
Yeah, we can smell your breath through the video.
You're lying.
Exactly.
I don't have morning breath.
Really?
I don't.
So what we do today?
Oh gosh, I'm so hungry.
What we do today?
Eat food.
So, we can just stay here, son. I want a nice decorated dish come to me like last time.
No.
So, See what I do for now? I finally get them up out of bed. They don't usually get up early. See if I can get some B-roll shots now. So, morning again. Finally up. We are hanging out with Tori and Shan. I really do much hanging out right now because I'm asleep. Like, sleeping is the name of the thing today.
It's not a game, it's a rich.
What go on? Pick up on yourself. So, mother back in the grill now. I'm back in the grill. And just in case the entire video up until now was unclear and I never know what that go on. So, what I call it now? Sleepover. And like a sleepover go on because we didn't want to catch some. We wanted. Alright, the thing is, we are working on it. Well, yeah, we are working on a little. As a matter of fact, check out what we were working on and then we come back and explain.
Tori,
Oi there. From mine, I say everything just a reach. Come in, man. Okay. So they wanted to talk. Everything alright?
about 8 months now since my movie Next Door with Brad, right? Since we've been friends. And I think I need to complain now about what's been happening because you don't know the full story.
You've been cheating on Brad, have you?
No, and him don't know the full story either.
Come clean. Come out with it.
I have a baby.
Baby?
Yes, I have a 9 months old, and Brad doesn't know.
If you say you have a baby, where is the baby now? This whole 8 months, when they? Or she?
I really wanted to tell you, but I really wanted to tell him as well. But...
Alright. Hold on, guys. I still not get this. I don't even know why you lie about this in the first place. So, carry it from top again.
Alright. Before I met Brad, I had a baby with a guy who's now dead.
Alright, so when you guys met and you started to date, why didn't you tell him about the baby? Why withhold that part?
Well, my mom didn't think a guy like Brad would want a girl with a baby. And we needed him to want me.
Alright, this is a whole lot and I have so many questions, but in the early morning now we have to drink some tea first. So let me go deal with that and come back.
So yes, that's a movie that Shan and story. How me say this now? So them I write the story, them explain it to me, and me shoot it. So what you just saw was the first part of it, and yeah. So I'm interested to see what else I'm come up with and how I can shoot it and get them imagination into life because it's an experience. It's fun, you know. Teaching people about the camera, showing them this and that here, and at the end of the day, see what them learn and see the end result. Yeah. So that's what was happening there. Like the video, subscribe for your first time, and tell me in the comments if you want some more videos like these. And I like that. So big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. Thank you for 5,000 plus subscribers. Thank you. First time over here, subscribe. My name Laro, long time subscriber. Don't have to tell me what to do. Like the video, share it on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, everything. Big up on yourself. Big up Richard Brown Films. Big up everybody. Look more. We got